Wow. What happened
Hello.
to another shoulder po? Bakit half lang?
This is half only. This is half for V shape for hair.
Are you a shepherd?
Oh, oh my goodness.
No,
Okay.
what?
I like this for. Okay.
Yes. Now you look like real shepherd po. Okay,
No,
so
I'm not shepherd.
you're not shepherd, yes?
Yeah, I am Catholic, not shepherd. Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Batangas po.
Bangladesh.
Yes po.
How did you know how to speak Tagalog?
Kasi I have a Filipino boyfriend po.
Oh, really? You are gay? Oh my God!
Ano po?
You are gay? And who is your gay?
Ano po?
Sino ang bakla sa inyo? You are gay. We have a boyfriend.
If I
You
have a
don't know
boyfriend,
speak that.
doesn't mean I am gay.
Yeah, you are gay. Oh my God.
How you make that conclusion? If I have a boyfriend, meaning I am gay?
Yes, because this is not good for male for female. It is one, two, both of you is one gay. That is impossible.
We can use puwet.
Hey,
Why impossible?
Bastos!
Posible.
oh my God.
But we need a lot of lubricant.
Oh my God.
Bakit po, ate?
Kasi, for me, for Roman Catholic, boys from boys is bastard. Yeah.
But it's funny.
This is not good for my religion, for Catholic, male and female, male and the same male for boyfriend is not and the half of eyes of many people is not good. You are bad. And if you like to continue yourself for good, you need to come in Jesus Christ, come back, and do not get a boyfriend at the same with you. We need girl.
Ano daw?
Hala! In English, not Tagalog. Ang sabi ko, hindi ka pwede sa Katoliko ng ganyan kailangan pareho kayo may magkaiba kayo, babae at saka lalaki, hindi pwede lalaki for lalaki.
Bakit po?
Masama po. Bad kay Jesus.
Yes, but my boyfriend is not Jesus.
Oh my God. You don't understand what I said. Ang sabi ko, sa paningin ng Panginoon ay hindi tama.
Hindi tama, not normal. Abnormal.
Yeah, abnormal. Abnormal. That's why your brain is abnormal. How old are you?
20 lang po.
Oh, that's why your brain is abnormal.
20 peso. Can you afford me?
No.
Bakit to?
Wala akong ganun. Mahirap lang ako.
Talaga?
Opo.
Are you selling clothes?
No.
Why you have so much clothes?
I am close, not I'm close. I'm open. Ano bang gusto mo sabihin?
Wait lang po. Wait lang po. Joker ka ba?
Pwede rin.
I ask you, why you have so much clothes behind you? You say, I'm not close, I'm open. Joker ka ba?
Your mind is closer.
Ate, taga saan ka?
Manila.
Metro Manila?
Yes.
Bakit po?
Taga Manila talaga ako eh. Anong bakit?
No, I mean, before Manila, where did you live?
Northern Samar.
Why did you move?
Because I was job.
What job?
Any kind of job. When I was young, I was job in department, SM department,
Lady Guard.
center. Yeah, no,
Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga. No, I'm not lady.
You're not lady?
Sales lady.
Sales lady.
Yeah. Then I promote being a manager. Then I promote being an inventory highest salary.
And now? What now? What's the situation now?
And now my situation is I'm not working in center. I am delivery. I am driving. I will delivery fruits, vegetable, meat of chicken, meat of pork, meat of beef, like fish. You want to deliver with you?
I think your situation now is whoa.
La la la.
So you from
So?
the sales from Lady Gaga you become a delivery, yeah?
Yeah, I will driving. I'm
From
not Lady Gaga.
you become delivery. You know that is downgrade po.
Maybe.
What about money? Before money and now money, magkano po?
Bakit? Manihingi ka?
Ano po?
Manihingi ka?
Hindi po. Utang-utang ako.
Ganun na rin yun. Buka pa. Dami po kasi sinabi. Mangungutang ka rin pala.
Bawal kuripot na.
Bawal ako report. O sige, pautangin mo ako.
Hindi ikaw utang-utang me. Ay utang-utang
Hindi.
you.
Hindi. Me, utang-utang sa'yo. Bawal ako report.
Wag na.
Okay, tamo kuripot ka. Kuripot ka, kuripot ka, kuripot ka.
Everybody knows that I'm kuripot. It's not a secret na. Ate, ano salary mo ngayon?
Bakit?
Kasi utang
Secret?
no secret from me.
No. I need secret just for because I did not know who you are.
I am me.
I did not know who you are and maybe you are a scammer.
Hindi scammer ako.
Ano ka?
Hindi. What is your GCash number po?
Oh my God! You give me money?
Send me your OTP.
Oh my God! No, no, no! You are a scammer!
How do you know?
I know now because you need to send it GCash video and OTP. That's why you are a scammer.
No, I just want
No,
to get your money.
no! That's why you are a scammer.
Hindi pa.
Ano hindi pa? Yun na yun. Scammer ka. Lahat bang aakyat dito uutangan mo? Lahat ng aakyat mo dito uutangan mo? Hindi ang dami mo na scam.
Welcome to real life.
Oh my God!
Not always Christmas po.
Everyday Christmas with you?
I said not always Christmas po.
O kaya nga, hindi ako magbibigay sa iyo ng OTP kasi Christmas ngayon.
Hindi
Oh,
Christmas
holiday lang ngayon. You know holiday? Oh.
Tell me.
Holy Week. It's Holy Week.
That's it?
Yes. Not Christmas.
Okay,
It's
can
Holy
you give me
Week
more information?
and
I need
holiday.
more details po.
Details for?
For your GCash number po.
Oh my God, you're a scammer. You're a scammer.
Hindi pa.
Yun na yun. Nanihingi ka na ng pera sa akin eh.
Let me check.
Oh my God. Hindi, ang dami mo na hingian dito.
Kasi siguro meron na.
Ano naman kung mayroon, hindi kita bibigyan.
Ah, talaga na?
Oo, talaga, hindi kita bibigyan. O ano? Ako na masasabi?
Wala lang po.
Wala ka na masabi kasi scammer ka eh. Lahat ng aakyat dito hihingian mo. Oh my God.
Ate, you are 3 times older than me. What do you want?
No need you want to. No way. I want friend only here in TikTok. I have a Bigo Live. I have a TikTok Live.
Ano password mo?
Passport ko?
Password, TikTok and Bigo. Ano password?
Password.
Yes po.
In my name. Look at my name. And this is the password.
Okay po. I will
Follow me. Follow me.
not follow. Get your account po.
This is my account, Josephine. This is my account.
Today, this is your account. Tomorrow will be mine.
No. Why?
I know your password.
Grabe ka.
Grabe naman, ha?
Oo, grabe ka. Ganun ka talaga?
Ganun po. Ganun.
Oh my God. Wait. I will change the dress.
Are you cold?
No. Oh.
So bakit you change?
Kasi ayaw mo nga ng ganito, di ba? Dahil nakaganito lang siya. Oh. Dami mo kasi tanong. Ayun, nagpalit tuloy ako ng damit.
Ate, where is your boyfriend or husband po?
No one.
Wala.
Wala.
Bakit po?
Bakit?
Bakit po?
Kailangan ko sabihin sa'yo?
20 lang po.
Bakit kailangan ko sabihin sa'yo? Ano purpose mo?
Ano purpose? Purpose is only one. Gcash po.
Oh my God! Scammer!
Hindi.
Wow! Dito pa lang ako nakakita ng scammer na nakikipag-usap totally in front my face. Oh my God!
In front your face is the telephone po.
TikTok in front my face.
TikTok is application po.
It's the same because I watching you and you watching me.
I'm not watching you. I'm watching my phone po.
Oh. So ako'y litong-lito sa ugali mo kung hindi ko alam kung paano kitang itutuwid. I don't know you.
Di ko alam din po.
O paano nga kita itutuwid?
Let's get married po.
Oh my God! Agad-agad kasal?
Pwede? Pwede ba?
Oh, ang bata mo pa eh.
Bata
Tapos-
or not bata, it's no problem for me.
Bakit?
I said, bakit? Walang bakit.
Mayroon na. Bakit nga? What is the reason for married with me? I am 50 years old and you are young. How old are you?
20 lang, I told you already. Memory loss.
20. Oh. 20. Plus, minus 58. Hindi 38 years. The gap.
Big gap, na?
And you are my son only.
I can be your son and your husband po. Do you know Colgate?
Listen.
Do you know Colgate? 2 in 1 po.
2 in 1? No.
Pwede ba?
You need... Hindi pwede. Kailangan mag-searching ka ng kasing edad mo. Kung 20 ka, maghanap ka rin ng 20. Okay?
20, okay, 20. 58, okay, 58.
Ayoko.
Wait lang po. What did you say? I don't know what you say. Memory lost po.
Sabi ko ayoko.
You said ayoko. You said you don't want. You don't like.
Yeah, I don't like.
But you try first, na?
Ayoko nga. Ayoko ng bata kasi ako magdadala.
Listen to me. You try first because first try is free.
You're free. Then, next, if I cannot I cannot try it, we have a payment with you.
We have what?
Payment. Babayaran kita.
Payment. We can talk about that in private po.
Oh! No! Ayoko. Hanap ka ng iba.
Give it a try. You try first, na?
Ayoko. Masaya na akong sumasayaw. Masaya na ako nagtatrabaho. At hindi ko kailangan ang boyfriend. Lalo ng bata pa.
Okay, as I understand, you are masaya, you're happy with your life. You like your trabajo, you like your work, and you don't like bata. Bata is me, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
I think we have a connection, ate. I understand you, you understand me. We should get married.
Oh my God! No, I don't like married again.
Again, paulit na ulit.
Yeah,
How many
Because-
times? How many times before?
maybe you're second. I have first married, but I'm separated 18 years. But I don't like second married.
I can be your kabit.
Wala naman ako lusot sa'yo. Lahat na lang, mayroon.
No, wait lang. It's a good combination, I think. Look, we don't need to marry, but we are together. We understand each other. Kabit, kabit lang po.
Talaga na. Grabe ka na, ha?
Pwede ba? Pwede ba?
Ayoko mga bit. Mahirap yung kabit-kabit. Kabit dito, kabit doon, kabit dito. Yoko.
Hindi po, kabit. Isa lang po.
Kaya nga. Kahit saan ka pumunta, kabit pa rin yan.
I didn't get this one.
I told you, at the same, it's kabit. At the same for kabit-kabit.
Even you speak English, I don't understand.
Okay, I don't like marry you.
No, forget about marriage.
I don't like
lang.
kabit.
Kabit lang.
Ayoko ngang kabit. Ayoko.
You make me cry.
Ano ba
na?
ang hanap mo? Ano ba ang hanap mo sa babae? Bakit kailangan kita kabitin? Kailangan kita pakasalan, or kung ayaw ng pakasal, ikabit. Ano ba ang kailangan mo sa babae? Nanay?
Pwede?
Matayin talaga ako sa iyo. Oh my God.
So you
Nagmamadali.
are afraid if we go somewhere
Yeah.
like a restaurant or movie, when we hold our hands like this and when we're kissing, somebody will say, anak mo?
Mare.
Yes?
Yes.
It's a stereotype. Don't think about that.
Why?
You just love me and enjoy.
Hindi ako magiging masaya sa iyo.
Hindi masaya sa'yo? You think we will not be happy?
Yes.
Why do you think that?
Baka ako pa magdala sa iyo. Tapos ako pa yung bili doon, bili dito, bili doon, trabaho dito, trabaho doon. Tapos ikaw tihaya lang bahay.
Wait lang po. Trabaho dito, trabaho doon. I'm lost in translation po. Trabaho dito, trabaho doon.
Okay, wait.
Yes po.
Maybe I'm working here and working in very far, then you are sitting pretty only, then maybe you eating only, maybe you're watching only in television, then I'm working. So it's
So-
not Thai.
So, okay for me?
Oh my God! No, it's not okay for me because I am girl and you are the boy. You need to working because you need to give me money with me. So I will pretty sitting in the chair.
Watching
I will,
TV.
Sitting in the table for eating, maybe watching television. If you're working, if you're going to my home, you need to give me money.
Ayaw ko.
Oo, paano hindi tayo magkasundo? Hindi tayo magkakasundo. Oh.
Ate,
Gusto mo ako lang
don't
magtrabaho?
I don't like what you say. I don't like.
Oh, I don't like no. I don't like to.
I think I need
Because hindi tayo
I think
magkasundo.
we need a divorce.
Now, I will
Yes.
divorce now.
Ngayon.
Ngayon na, divorce na tayo. Ang bilis natin.
Bilis,
Hindi
bilis.
tayo magkasundo. Kasi gusto mo, ako lang magtrabaho, ikaw, sitting-sitting lang ikaw daw sa bahay. So, kawawa naman ako.
Hindi kawawa naman ikaw.
Bakit?
You said you like to work. You were a saleswoman. You were Lady Gaga. And you like trabaho dun, trabaho din.
Din ikaw, ano gagawin mo?
Sitting, eating, watching television po.
Oh my God! I will divorce now.
You break my
I will
heart.
divorce. Yes. You need to break your heart because I will divorce. I don't like sitting and the table. You're watching in the TV. I don't like eating. You need to working the same with me.
Hindi.
Ayaw mo. So, divorce na tayo. Ngayon na. Ano?
I am sad.
Divorce.
Give me one more chance.
Why?
I need a second. Everybody deserves a second chance.
For what?
For your heart.
No. We need to divorce now. Get a ball pen now and the papers. I will divorce.
Okay, so if you want divorce, you need to give me 50% of what you have.
Oh my God! You're a scammer always.
No, according to the law, 50% of what you have in marriage separate for husband and 50% for wife.
Oh, that's why only my money you love me. My money you love me.
No,
not
I don't love
my
your money.
Heart,
I
not
love
my
your house.
heart.
I love your tricycle. I love your TV.
Oh my God!
Please give me half of your tricycle. I will take the sidecar po.
You know, I cannot going in outside if my have a tricycle. You cannot going around.
I don't care. I need it.
Oh my God, you don't care.
Tomorrow,
I have an
you go to
accidental.
J&T Express. You put the half of the
Then?
tricycle, the sidecar. You pack and
Oh?
then send me.
You are terrible. You know, I have headache. I have headache.
Bakit po?
Dahil sa'yo. Sumakit ang ulo ko dahil sa'yo.
Masakit sa ulo din po.
Paano ka sasakit ang ulo? Gusto mo lang sitting pretty, nood TV, kain, sitting pretty, in the sala, higa in the bed.
Walang
Like
problema.
that. It's big problem kasi tamad ka.
Tamad, kuripot, no problem po.
No, it's not kuripot, you are tamad.
Hindi kuripot ako?
No, it's not kuripot, it is tamad.
No,
Lazy.
No, I know.
You're
I know.
lazy.
No,
You're lazy.
You're lizard.
What? I'm not lizard, you are lazy. You're lazy.
You're lizard.
That's why here you come here in TikTok live. If you are coming, the girl here is you need to money to come here in Chicas. You are a scammer. Always the girl is going here in TikTok live in your name. You give money with you because you are lazy.
You're lizard.
sakit ng ulo ko sa'yo.
Okay,
My
deal or
headache
no deal?
is hurt.
Deal or no deal? Tomorrow you send me the sidecar of your tricycle. Deal or no deal?
No deal.
No deal.
No deal.
Bakit no,
No
deal?
deal.
Bakit no deal po?
Ba't kayo bibigay sa'yo? No kahilo? My God.
Ate, I can tell you that you are a true lizard.
You know, lahat ng bagay na sa akin, hindi ko ibibigay sa'yo kasi tamad ka.
Bakit tamad ako? I'm very masipag.
O, paano ka naging masipag? Samantala gusto mo lang nood TV, watching TV,
Sitting
sitting
pretty.
in the table for eating.
Walang problema na sa bahay na.
Oh, ano trabaho mo?
Bala, magandang buhay.
Oh my God! This is my magandang buhay. You give me magandang buhay.
Hindi, you give me, not I give you magandang buhay.
My headache is very hurt. So much.
Bakit po?
Dahil sa'yo, tamad ka. Tapos ako pa magbibigay sa'yo magandang buhay? Oh my God!
I like magandang buhay. Walang problema sa magandang buhay po.
Kung gusto mo magandang buhay mo, magtrabaho ka.
Hindi trabaho. I don't like. Ayaw ko.
Talaga? Paano ka? Pinapakain ka lang ng magulang mo?
Meron ikaw.
Hindi ka kasali.
Ano po? You don't agree?
No, I'm not agree.
If you don't agree, tomorrow you send me your tricycle po.
Eh, bakit pa ako magsisend sa'yo ng tricycle ko kung ayaw ko naman sa'yo?
Wait lang po.
Talagang scammer ka.
Two choices you have. You have only two choices. Number one, we get married. Number two, we get divorced, but you need to send me your tricycle po.
No one. No one.
A, B, or C, none of the above.
Nani dapat?
Why you like that, ate?
Because you're lazy boy.
Hindi
I
boy.
cannot prepare
Hindi
with
boy
you.
ako.
You cannot deserve for me.
Ate, you don't
not
listen to
deserve
me.
for
You said you are a lazy boy. I said hindi boy ako.
Eh, ano ka? Girl ka.
Bakit po?
Nasasabi mo lang eh, hindi ka boy eh. Ibig sabihin, gay ka. You're
So only
gay.
two choices?
I don't know you.
Ate, you said if you're not a boy, then you're a girl. And I ask you, only two choices, no more?
No more. I don't like.
You don't give me a choice, na?
No. No.
You prepare your tricycle, na?
Never.
Ano tricycle mo? Honda, Suzuki, Rusi, ano po?
Honda.
Okay,
And
you give me a tricycle po.
scammer ka talaga.
Kasi if you meron Rusi, I say no. Rusi, I don't like. Bad quality. But Honda is okay for me.
Namili ka pa, tamad ka naman. Dapat nga sa'yo, hindi ka pakainin, hindi ka dapat paliguan, hindi ka dapat tingnan, hindi ka karapat dapat.
Ano daw?
Lose your mind, open your mind.
Ate, what are you doing to me?
I doing the knife to suck in your lungs.
I think we need to file a divorce po.
Go. Maybe. Because I don't like you. You are lazy and scammer. My tricycle, you are scam. My money, you are scam. And my love life is your scam also. I don't like. You need to divorce.
Ano love life? You said love life. What love life po?
The love life is, ibig sabihin, nagmamahal ka sa buhay mo. So, ikaw, mahal mo lang sarili mo.
Ano po?
Sabi ko, you love yourself only.
I love myself?
Yeah.
No, I love my cell phone.
Oh my, I have a headache. It's very hard.
Oh my goodness, ate. Oh my goodness. Whew, thank you so much, na. It was really nice to talk to you. Magandang gabi po. Thank you po.
Magandang gabi din. Nakakatuwa ka.
Okay po.
Pero, ayaw ko ng scammer.
Okay, see you next time po.
See you. Bye-bye.